There's a moment you've been waiting all your life for, when you find the very reason you're alive for. And it happens when you seem to least expect it. All at once you come alive and feel connected. I ignored the beat inside my heart for too long. Had accepted what was right but always felt wrong. It's the second hand of time I've been a slave to, but inside there was a feeling for something I always knew. When the world turned upside down and the earth and sky changed around, all the whispers of the possible became clear and loud. When the world turned upside down, when my world turned upside down.